In this lecture, we discuss about Taylor's theorem or Taylor's series. Let fx be a function of x differentiable n times, then Taylor's series of f of x is given by f of x plus a, which is equal to f of x plus a times of f dash of x plus a square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x plus a cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x and so on. This can be also written as this is ascending power of a. Similarly, it can be also written in ascending power of x, x into x, x square, x cube. And the third formula, which is obtained from the Taylor's function or Taylor series, f of x. So let me add and subtract minus a plus a to x, then f of x minus a, we can consider it is one term and a is the another term. So we can write down f of a plus x minus a f dash of a plus x minus a whole square upon 2 factorial f double dash a and so on. Now, if we want to solve some problem based on the Taylor's theorem, we have to ask two variety of question, or we can say that three variety of the question. The first variety of question is in which we have to express any given expression in ascending power of x. Sometime we have to write down that expression into ascending power of x minus a or x plus a. And sometime we have to obtain the some particular values of the irrational number with the help of Taylor series. So in this series, we discuss about all three examples one by one. Let us start from the example number 1. Applying Taylor's theorem to express x minus 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3 times of x minus 2 whole cube plus 4 times of x minus 2 whole square plus 5 in powers of x. So in this expression, the term is x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. So whole expression is written in terms of x minus 2. We want to express this in powers of x only by using the Taylor's theorem. Let f of x be a function of x differentiable n times, then Taylor series of f of x is given by f of x plus a is equal to f of a plus x f dash of a plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash of a plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of a and so on. This is the Taylor series in ascending power of x or only the power of x. Now we have to express the given expression in this form. Here f of x plus a, f of x plus a is given by x minus 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3x minus 2 whole cube plus 4x minus 2 whole square plus 5. If we compare this with this x plus a is nothing but x minus 2. Therefore, x plus a is equal to x minus 2, and which gives us a is equal to minus 2. From 2, we have f of x, which is equal to x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5. Since a is equal to minus 2, so we can substitute, we want to find out the value of f of a. So here a is equal to minus 2. Let us put f of minus 2 What is that? If we put a is equal to -2, means x equal to -2, this x is equal to -2 to the power 4, -3, again -2 to the power 3, plus 4, -2 to the power 2, plus 5. If we simplify it, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Since there is a power 4, which is even, so minus will become plus, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. 3 into 8, this will be negative, and again negative and negative, it will become plus. 8 into 3 is 24. 2 to -2 into -2 is +4, plus 4 into 4 is 16, plus 5. If we simplify all this term, 16 plus 24 is 40. 40 plus 16 is 56. 56 plus 5 is equal to 61. So f of -2, actually this f of 2, which is equal to 61. Let us again find out what is the value of. We have to calculate the value of f of a, f dash of a, f double dash of a, f triple dash of a, and so on. Now we differentiate f of x with respect to x. Derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cubed. Derivative of x cube is 3. 3 is a 9x square. Plus derivative of 4x square is 8x. Derivative of 5 is equal to 0. Now if we substitute x is equal to -2, then f dash of -2, 4 times of -2 whole cube, -9, -2 to the power 2, plus 8 into -2. If we again simplify it, this is -8, -8 into 4 is -32, plus 4 into 9 is -36, -2 plus 8 is -16. If we add all the three terms, because all three are negative, so 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 4, 14. Then 1 plus 3 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8, minus 84. The value of f dash of -2 is equal to -84. Similarly, f double dash of x equal to derivative of 4x cube is 12x square minus derivative of x square, 9x square, which is 18x, plus derivative of 8x is equal to 8. If we substitute the value of x is -2, we are able to calculate the value of f double dash of -2, which is given by 12. X is -2, so -2 whole square, minus 18 into -2, plus 8. If we simplify it, 12 into 4, 48. 18 into -2, minus plus, 36, and 8 is 8. If we add all these three terms, we are getting 92. Now let us again differentiate with respect to x. 12 derivative of 12x square is equal to 24x. Derivative of -18 is equal to 18, and derivative of 8 becomes 0. So f triple dash of -2 is 24 into -2 minus 18, which gives us -48 minus 18, which is equal to -66. f4 dash of x, which is equal to 24. And f4 dash of -2 is equal to 24. Now we substitute all these values in equation number 1. That is a is equal to -2, f dash of -1 equal to -2 equal to 61, f dash of -2 is -84, f double dash of minus 2 is equal to 92, f triple dash of 2 is equal to minus 66, f 4 dash of minus 2 equal to 24 in 1 we have. F of x plus h can be written as f of x minus 2, f of minus 2, x into f dash of minus 2, x square upon 2 factorial, f double dash of minus 2, x cube upon 3 factorial, f triple dash of minus 2, and so on. Now we substitute all these values over here. F of x minus 2 is nothing but the given question. X minus 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3, x minus 2 whole cube plus 4, x minus 2 whole square plus 50 plus 5, which is equal to f of minus 2. F of minus 2 is 61, f dash of minus 2, which is equal to minus 84, f double dash of minus 2 is 92, f triple dash of minus 2 is equal to minus 66, and f4 days of minus 2, which is equal to 24. So we have substituted all these values. Let us arrange all this term in ascending power of x. So I think this is our desired result. Here we express the given expression, which is given in the terms of x minus 2, which can be expressed in the ascending power of x. Therefore, x minus 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3 times of x minus 2 whole cube plus 4 times of x minus 2 whole square plus 5, which is equal to 61 minus 84x plus 46x square minus 11x cube plus x to the power 4. This is our desired result. Thank you.